Meet John, an environmentalist and tech enthusiast who has been proudly driving his electric vehicle for over 12 years. But lately he noticed the battery's performance is decreasing. When initially bought, John could drive 300 kilometers without recharging. Recently, with a fully charged battery, he can drive around 200 kilometers, and his kilometers increased recently. Now, John's first thought is obviously to replace the battery, but what will happen to the used one? That's a job Rhinoceros project can explain better. Rhinoceros, an EU-funded initiative, addresses the challenging issue of battery degradation and proposes new routes towards a circular business model for lithium-ion batteries. In a first stage, Rhinoceros partners assess the state of used batteries. Sometimes decommissioned batteries still retain 75 to 80% capacity. These batteries find new life powering homes, reducing the need for new materials and fostering a circular economy. But there are batteries at their end of life that need to undergo innovative recycling processes, ensuring sustainability and less pollution. Testing ensures recycled material meets the standards for future batteries. Thanks to Rhinoceros, John can continue his sustainable journey, now reassured his EV battery is handled responsibly.
While the electric mobility transition is fantastic for the environment, it also means that we need to think carefully about how we dispose of these batteries. Rhinoceros steps in to tackle this issue head-on. We're focused on finding safe and sustainable ways to manage retired electric vehicle batteries. Plus, we are aware of the valuable metals inside of these batteries, which often come from less than ideal mining conditions. Our goal is to ensure the circularity of these batteries while also considering this planet's well-being. So, what exactly are we doing in Rhinoceros? Well, we've got two main routes: reuse and recycling. Old EV batteries may no longer be useful for long-distance driving, but could still have enough storage capacity to find a second life elsewhere. For example, they could be used to ease the strain on the power grid by providing backup electricity when it's needed most. Imagine old car batteries powering homes or businesses. It's pretty neat. And when they can't be reused, we're moving to innovative recycling processes. For this, EV batteries must first be dismantled, which is no simple task, because currently their designs are not standardized. The battery packs come in different sizes, shapes, and even in a diversity of chemistries. And this complexity makes the recycling process more expensive and dangerous. We're figuring out how to extract every last bit of valuable material from these batteries in a way that is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Besides the obvious environmental benefits, Rhinoceros has the potential to make a big impact on our economy and society. By developing efficient processes for battery repurposing and recycling, we're not only creating new opportunities for industries, but we are also taking important steps towards a cleaner and a safer future. We are reducing toxic waste, lowering the demand for new materials, and paving the way for a more sustainable way of living and consuming. In essence, Rhinoceros isn't just about managing old batteries, it's about ensuring the upcoming generations get a better and more sustainable world.
Follow us to find out more about our technologies.